Hello, it's Elliot from the Revitalised Clinic. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you today how to cook an Ital vegan Caribbean curry. It's one of my personal favourites. It's a great way to get in plenty of protein and your micronutrients, essential vitamins and nutrients. And remember, after you watch this, if you need any advice or help when it comes to your health, fitness or mental health, then all you need to do is contact us at www.revitalisedclinic.co.uk to book a free complimentary online virtual video call or face-to-face appointment. What you want to do is familiarise yourself with the ingredients that I've listed in the post below and heat your pan. So we're going to keep it tropical by frying off some coconut oil, and now we're just going to add our spices. So here we have some paprika, tablespoon, half a teaspoon of chili powder. We've got our Caribbean curry powder. It's important that you get the Caribbean curry powder, not the Indian one. Then we've got a tablespoon of coriander, 1.5 tablespoons of thyme, and our 2 or 3 bay leaves. So we're just going to add this to the pot. We're just going to fry them off, and we're going to add just a little bit of water to make sure that this doesn't dehydrate too much whilst we're cooking it. It's going to fry off the spices first. So that's been frying off for about 30 seconds into a paste. Just going to add our thumb of ginger, our 4 garlic cloves, and half an onion. So next we're going to add the bulk of our curry. So we're going to add, after this has been simmering for about 5 to 10 minutes, we'll add our squash, a little bit of cabbage in there, and then as well as that, also our cabbage and our mushrooms. And then after we've done that, we need some sauce to cover it with. So we're just going to add a dash of coconut milk, some chickpeas, and as well as that, our tomatoes. And then need be, if I need more liquid, then I'm just going to add some water as well. So just a top tip, this is what mine looks like at the moment. I know the temptation might be to cover it more so, but remember what the vegetables that you're using are going to be above 70 to 80% water. So just cover this and just let it reduce for 45 minutes, let the water seep out before you decide on adding any more water, and obviously the lentils. So as you can see, it's reduced quite a bit and the liquid has come out, so it's covered quite well. So now we're just going to add some lentils, and that's half a cup of lentils, and some boiling water just to cover it a little bit more. Also added just a vegetable stock bouillon, and I'm just going to cook that for another 30 minutes. And rice and peas is really simple. We're just going to add a cup of basmati rice, our peas or kidney beans, and then just a dash of coconut milk, a little bit of salt, some thyme if you like, and just slow cook that for 20 minutes. Oh, my mistake, you also want to add about half a cup of water and then cover. And rice and peas is really simple. We're just going to add a cup of basmati rice, our peas or kidney beans, and then just a dash of coconut milk, a little bit of salt, some thyme if you like, and just slow cook that for 20 minutes. Oh, my mistake, you also want to add about half a cup of water and then cover. Alright, so after 25 minutes of cooking the rice, that's done. And then after another 25 to 30 minutes of cooking the curry, that's also done. Alright, so after another 30 minutes of cooking this with the lentils in, and obviously 25 minutes to finish off the rice and peas, we're all done and ready to serve.